Goodway's model DV-E3. This is a 3-motored 230-volt single-phase vacuum. It has 3 motors wired up independently for a low, medium, and high vacuum. Under high settings, you will have 90 inches of static water lift and 353 CFM of air movement. The vacuum itself comes with a standard 14-pocket 3-micron filter at 21.5 cubic feet of material. The unit is available with an optional 1-micron filter. You can also add in a HEPA filter as well. The unit itself, for the filtration, you're able to clean it externally with the bag shaker. The bag shaker is an element that will rake that filter clean, allowing all the debris to drop down into the 27-gallon roll-out collection tank. The unit itself, being very versatile, allow you to use a 3-inch, a 2-inch, or an 1.5-inch vacuum setup as far as hose and tools go. The tools have an integrated storage compartment, and you have a clip to hold all kinds of wand assemblies and things of that nature.